What if your daily scooter could hit 42 miles per hour, climb a 53% hill, and go up to 71 miles on a single charge? Today, we're checking out the AUSOM DT2 Pro electric scooter, and we're going to see if this beast actually lives up to those insane numbers.
Hey guys, this is Daddy O from the O Family channel. If you love scooters, e-bikes, and family adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that bell so you don't miss our next ride. So we are going to unbox this awesome scooter DT2 Pro. So let's go ahead and check it out.
Alright, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the AUSOM DT2 Pro scooter itself, and it's mostly pre-assembled, which is always nice. The heavy stuff like the suspension is already in place, so it's pretty much plug and play once you unbox it. Everything's packed tight in thick foam, so nothing shifts around during shipping. Now check out what else you get. The 4.5-inch LCD display, 2 NFC key cards, and something new this time, a backup NFC card in case you lose one. And I can tell you from experience, I've lost 2 before because they're small and easy to misplace. So it's awesome that AUSOM added an extra. They also include these rubber protectors to cover the bolts on the sides, a 58.8 volt 3 amp charger to juice up that big 52 volt battery, the DT2 Pro manual, a warranty card, and even a pair of white gloves so you can keep your hands clean while setting it up. Plus, there's a full toolkit with Allen keys and zip ties for cable management. Nice little touches that show AUSOM actually thought through the setup process. Now, putting this thing together was super simple. All you really have to do is unlatch the handlebar, lift it up, and lock it into place. Then just twist the knob to secure it nice and tight. After that, you'll unscrew the clamp, line up the display and controls where you want them, and tighten everything back down. And that's pretty much it. The whole setup took me less than 20 minutes start to finish. Now, this scooter weighs about 74 pounds, so it's not light, but you can feel that solid 6061 aluminum alloy frame right away. It's built tough. The frame uses aerospace-grade aluminum, giving it both durability and stiffness. The deck measures 20.7 by 7 inches, wide enough for solid footing, and it can support up to 297 pounds. It folds in 3 easy steps: bars down, stem lock, then clasp, shrinking to just 52 by 27 by 21.6 inches.
For me, portability is okay. It's heavy, but still manageable if you need to lift it into a car trunk.
Powering everything is a 52 volt, 23.4 amp hour battery. That's roughly 1,216 watt hours of capacity. AUSOM claims up to 71 miles of range, but realistically expect around 35 to 45 miles depending on your speed, weight, and terrain. Charging takes 6 to 12 hours using the dual ports, though only 1 charger is included.
I really wish they included 2 chargers since it sports dual charging, but the range so far has been impressive.
Under the deck are dual brushless 1,100 watt motors with a combined peak output of nearly 2,900 watts.
Whoa.
You can switch between single and dual motor modes for efficiency or full power.
Honestly, it feels like a small motorcycle. Just make sure you're wearing full safety gear at these speeds.
For comfort, the DT2 Pro features dual swing arm suspension front and rear. The ride is noticeably smoother over cracks and bumps. It also comes with 10 by 3-inch tubeless puncture-resistant tires. Running around 50 psi gives the perfect balance between grip and comfort.
Compared to rigid frame scooters I've reviewed, this one feels plush. You can definitely ride longer without feeling beat up.
Stopping power comes from dual hydraulic disc brakes paired with EABS, giving you strong, consistent braking. AUSOM claims a 30% shorter stopping distance, and it definitely stops hard without much fade.
At high speed, that's crucial. Brakes feel progressive and responsive. You can trust them.
Up front is a bright 4.5-inch LCD display showing your speed, battery, and mode. you can access hidden menus P01 to P23 to fine-tune performance. The scooter also uses NFC cards for locking and unlocking, and yes, I had to rebind mine after losing the original, which was easy thanks to AUSOM's reset guide.
Full LED lighting setup, headlights, tail light, and side indicators really lights up the night. Visibility is excellent. Right now it's on eco mode, shows the odometer. I haven't written yet, so it says 0 miles. And here's the battery, and here's miles per hour, how fast you're going. If you press the plus button, it goes to sport mode. You press it again, goes to race mode. That's the highest it'll go. There's a DDM button, you press that, and then what's going to happen is it shows that it's on dual motor, all-wheel drive. The DDM button lights up as red, then you can turn that off. Now it's a single motor. And here's the left turn signal. It shows on the screen. It shows on the back side to turn it off. Press it again. And then here's the right turn signal. Shows on the screen that it's on. It shows on the back side, which is great. So right now, I don't know if you can see it on the screen. It's kind of hard to see in the direct sunlight. It is visible, not as bad. It's on eco mode. Let's see how fast this is gonna go. So eco mode, you have to push off a little bit here. There we go. We're going about 15, 16, 17, 18 miles per hour. That's for eco mode. Wow. Okay, so the 18 was the highest. Let me try sport mode. See how fast it's gonna go. You do have to push off a little bit here. Now it's taking off. Already up to 11, 15, 20, 22, 26, 27, 30, 31. Wow. 31 is the highest for sport mode. Woo. That is fun. All right, guys, so I did notice that I had single motor on. I didn't have the dual motor the whole time. So I'm going to turn that on. DDM button here. Now the screen shows that all-wheel drive. The dual motor is on. Let's see if there's a big difference here between the single motor and the dual motor. Let me see here. Oh yeah, the torque is instant. Right now I'm on race mode. I'm on 34 already, 36, 39, 41.
That's crazy.
Oh my God, 40. Oh, this is crazy. Wow, I've tested e-bikes and scooters in the past, and this has to be the fastest that I've ever tested. And going that fast, especially scooters, if it goes over 20 miles per hour, it might feel unstable, a little scary, but this one feels stable and secure even though you're going that much speed. Dual motor and dual suspension scooter like this, obviously we gotta test out the bumps here, the rough terrain, a little hill, see how this is gonna go. I'm pretty sure it's gonna feel like butter, and we're not gonna have any problem going up the hill with so much power like this. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. Let's test it out, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out here. Right now we're in sport mode. Let's see. Oh yeah.
I waited for someone to say it.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. Ooh. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is amazing. Yeah, this is so fun. Whoa. And try it again. Still on sport mode. This is the smoothest, most fun. This is so fun, guys. Oh yeah. Wow, gotta say wow. If you're new to high-speed scooters, start slow. This thing has serious punch. But for experienced riders looking for balanced power, range, and build quality, this is it. I'll leave the link to the DT2 Pro down below along with my code if you want to check it out. Don't forget to like, comment your question, and subscribe for more epic rides and reviews.